Good day, sir. I'm Cherise Faith, and today we will be performing a health assessment. So, may I may have your permission to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, first is mag perform sa ko og hand hygiene
Okay.
para and I will be preparing my equipment,
Mm-mm.
the gloves, wooden tongue depressor,
Okay.
and the um, pin light. So first, magtaod sa ko gloves, sir ha.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait ka lang din na, sir ha.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's done. So first, um, I inspect the head for symmetry, lesions or swelling, and gently palpate for tenderness. So, ako sa lang takon imuhang head, sir, Howie. Ano, sir? Okay. Pwede pataasin mong answer. Mm. Okay, your findings appears normal. So, let's proceed in your air. So, I inspect internal airs and check for discharge or redness. So, using a pin light, I observe the air canal rather. So, ako sa mga taon, sir ha? Wait, sir. Mm, okay, hearing is appears normal, sir. So third is in your nose. I inspect the nose for your nose rather for alignment and discharge. Then check a nasal passages using a pin light. So ako sa ng tao ng alignment sa imong nose, sir ha. Okay, pwede ta hangad mo gamay. Okay. So, pwede ta mohangad lang gamay, sir. Kaya itong tao. Muhang passage. Nasal passage reader. Oh, okay. Airflows equally on both sides. So dinhi na po tas at sa imuhang throat. So, using tongue depressor and a pin light, I inspect your lips, gums, your tongue, and your throat for redness or swelling. So first is lantawan daw na ako imong lips, sir. Or wala ba yun? Normal lang ba? Okay. So, next is imuhang gums. Pwede ta mo open sa imuhang mouth gamay lang, sir. Ano, sir? Ano lang, sir. Wait, sir. Open lang ta gamay sa imuhang mouth, sir. Ano lang. Okay. Mm. So, next sa imuhang tongue. Okay, pwede ba nini nako ikuan sa imuhang kuan lang, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ana, sir. Pagawas lang ang dila gamay, sir. Ayun lang, gamay lang, sir. Okay. Ay, ayaw lang pa ako, sir. Ana. Okay, good. Okay. It's normal. Then, next is your truth. So, lantaw. Mga lang good, sir. Gamay lang, sir. Ah,
Ah,
ano.
mga,
Lantaw lang ko, sir. Imuhang dila, sir. Paubos, paubos ang dila. Alang, sir. Ayaw lang tabunin imuhang ko, sir. Okay. So, no abnormalities noted. So, next is in your neck. So, I inspect and gently palpate the neck rather, and lymph nodes for swelling or tenderness. So, lantaw mo na itong mga lymph nodes din, sir, ha? Dila lang tam. Straight lang, sir. Okay. Mm. So your neck movement is normal. So after completing health assessment, my overall finding is within normal limits with no visible swelling, redness, and lesions or tenderness noted in the head, ears, nose, throat, and your neck. So thank you for your cooperations and your
thank you, ma'am.
feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Then reflect these reflections will help improve my clinical skills and assessment techniques in future practice. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.